still, it should probably almost be 6 by now. But I'm gonna make myself an early breakfast. Or late breakfast, it's so late. Okay, here we go. I don't know why they are outcasting me, but if this raven is actually helpful, it shouldn't be that bad. Where'd he go? It's okay, at least there's some over here. Okay. Oh god. Okay. What about you? That's what dropped. Okay, now let's turn this baby on. I'll wait in a couple hours. Okay. Hopefully, I hope I can finish this like right away. Man, DarkWatcher said he'd be back in 6, but maybe plans changed. Well, I'm supposed to leave right now because the queen doesn't want me here anymore. Wait, what's that? Oh no. Where am I? I feel like I'm in the doctor's office. Oh, DarkWatcher, there you are. I couldn't... What's so funny? I can't believe you fell for it. Fell for what? We are getting a whole extinct bird army. Why? Why are you doing this? You want to know why? It's because we want to get rid of birds. But birds are innocent. You can't just kill them. I can if I want. DarkWatcher? Oh my goodness, what is it again? Dark Talon, what is it? Or Shadow Talon, whatever. Does the elephant bird look a little weird to you? Why? What? No. What is it? Because it's a baby elephant bird? What? A little elephant bird? What is it? I'm assuming it's a male. I would name it Giant, since, elephant birds are huge. No, sure, go ahead. I don't like the way it feels energetic, or the way it's just, making that noise. What is it doing? I don't know. Oh no, it's gonna let the Dodo and the Archaeopteryx out. Get it! Did someone know the Dodo's here? Wow! Oh my god. Wait, did I just come back from the dead? I think I'm a zombie. Am I a zombie? You better get back over there. Wow! Hey, Archaeopteryx, I think it's time to wake up. You don't have to sleep anymore. Oh yeah, hey, you Dodo. You do realize I'm over here. Hey. what are you called? A Sabiornis? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Come with me. We're getting you out of here. What? Why? Just come with me. No! Get him! Wanna take the lead then? I'm not taking the lead. Guys, look, if any of you guys don't know how to lead away, then I will. Okay, you gotta go quick. Come on. No, get away. Get up. We gotta go quick, guys. We gotta go quick. Oh me, I think I might know a hit. I think I might know a place. Well, it looks like we'll stay here for now. I don't think they know where this house is. I hope they don't know where we are. Okay. So, do you live here? No. Well, it's not my home. Like, except the one in the village. That one is getting sold. Sold? Why is it getting sold? You don't understand, Rainbow. It got sold because I got outcasted by the queen for no goddamn reason. It's so annoying. She always acts like she's innocent, like she just... And I feel like she just doesn't care about anyone but herself. That's all I think. What are you making? It's called berry soup. I learned it myself. I need a few more berries. Ooh. Are you actually gonna make, like, you know, are you gonna make lava? No. It's a potion. Crazy days. Oh my god. Why would I... Okay. Why would I make a potion like that? I don't. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna turn this on. And all that stuff, okay? Let's cook. Okay, everybody. I welcome you. The berry soup. Where's the little elephant bird? Oh yeah, I think I'll give the fourth one to him. Why? Because I put him in the chicken coop. Chicken coop. Are you sure it has like a warm light in it? Yeah, I just saw it, and it still works somehow. Okay, just take that one to him. Actually, no, I'll take it to him. Hold on. He might be asleep already, though. Yeah. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh, God. I hope they don't find us here. How many people? Okay, he's probably asleep, so I'm probably going to place him down very gently. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, let's go. Let's eat. Okay. Of course. We summon the most interesting birds on earth. The ooh. Who are you? Ooh, I like a voice. Should we name our demon? No, I got a better one. How about blood? Blood is accepted as my name. What do you want? We need you to kill 4 extinct birds. A Sapiornis. Well, actually, I want all 4 of them alive. A Sapiornis, a elephant, an elephant bird, a dodo, and lastly, an Archaeopteryx. Will you try to find them if you can? As you wish, Master.